What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove the covers on your lights. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to remove the covers on two of the most common styles of ceiling lights. The reason why I'm showing you this here today is because a lot of people unfortunately don't know how to remove them. You need to know how to remove it in order to either clean the cover itself or to replace the globe. Now somebody in this property here has already broken one of the lights trying to remove it. So today I'm going to show you guys two of the most common styles and how to remove the covers. So the first style that we've got is this one right here. We've got three little lugs, which are little nuts, and they hold on our actual cover right here. Now this glass cover comes off. What we need to do is we can pick any one of these three and back it off. So all we want to do, push up on the cover, unscrew that to the left, so lefty loosey, righty tighty, nice and easy way to remember. You've now got that nut there off. Bring down the cover slowly, and now we've got access. So we can either clean it, which we need to clean in this case here, and we can also replace the globe if that's what we need. So I'll quickly clean this cover right here. So to reinstall it, we basically do everything in reverse. We've got our two fixed ones right here. We're going to slide our cover plate over the top, take our third one, and tighten that one there back up. Once we've got it nice and snug, our cover plate is ready to go and we can move on to our other style of ceiling light. So with this one here, it looks basically the same. We've got our glass cover that's sitting on top, okay? But in this one here, we've got three clamps that are lipped around the actual glass cover. Now with this style here, only one of them moves. Now you have to test all of them in order to find out which one is the one that moves. And what I mean by it moves is one of them is spring loaded. So what you need to do is once again, hold onto the cover of the glass or the glass cover, just to make sure it doesn't fall. And what you need to do is pull on this little clamp right here. Now this one here is fixed, so that's not the one we're looking for. We'll move over to our next one, and you can see there, that one there is spring loaded. So what we need to do, pull it back, slide our glass cover down, and now we've got access to our light. We can either replace the globe, clean it, do whatever you got to do, and to reinstall it, we're just going to position it back where it was. So do everything in reverse. These two here are fixed, and this one here is spring loaded. So line up the lip, both sides. Back over here, we'll pull on that one, lock it in place, and we're ready to go. So there you have it, guys. That's two of the most common styles of ceiling lights, how to remove the covers. It's very simple and straightforward. Hopefully you've enjoyed it, you've learned something new, and you're now not gonna break your ceiling lights. As always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.